Hey lovelies, it's Tracy. When it comes to shampooing, conditioner is a necessity for me. I cannot shampoo my hair without also having a conditioner or some kind of a hair mask because my hair is very fine and the highlights mean it is a tangle fest. So I've been testing out the Revitabond line from Acure. This is their restorative conditioner. And when I'm using this in the shower, I use about 5 pumps. Has typical consistency like lotion. The smell on this is minimal. There's a little bit of a baking scent. I call it like maybe clove in the shampoo version, but not so much in the conditioner. I use, again, like 4 or 5 pumps of this, leave it on my hair for the duration of my shower, and then rinse it out. It has good emollient qualities, seems to smooth down the cuticle of my hair, works good with my purple shampoo, which can be very stripping, so that's a testament to how rich this particular conditioner is. I think this is probably my favorite product in the lineup, and I would definitely put this one at 4 stars. If you're looking for something from a clean brand and you haven't tried anything from Acure in a while, definitely check out the Revitabond. Again, this is the restorative conditioner. If you check it out, let me know what you think.